Welcome, lovelies. Another segment of Lousje and Bean behind the scene. You're staying with me, buddy. I'm all by myself, so this is my partner in unboxing of Ever Sassy. Welcome, lovelies. Well, Tessa took a few days off. She's been working like I am so impressed with her. Getting the store ready, and it was a lot. It was a lot of work, and she's taking a few days off with the children, Ruby and Oscar. We got this shipment in, and she gave me the box, and she said, "Mom, could you please do it by yourself?" And I said, "Okay." So I don't know what's in it. It will be a huge surprise, but Charlie's gonna help me. He doesn't look like he's into it, but go lie down, buddy. He's still convalescing, by the way, because it's hard to keep him quiet. He keeps on running after squirrels in the backyard. But now what I do is I tie him down to the furniture, so if he sees one, he can't run and jump. Because it's just like us, right? When we sprain something, we need to take it easy. So he's still on a little bit of medication. And that's a good thing, to keep him quiet. Okay, lovelies, here we go. So this is a black and white collection. I am really excited about it. I love black and white. It brings me back to my 60s and 70s. 60s, I think, was the pop art era, right? I'm gonna dive into it. I can't wait. There's supposed to be some jackets, some shirts, and some tops, and a duster. So I don't know what I have here, but it's a nice shirt. Oh, this is fabulous. I love a good shirt, and this is a wonderful shirt. It's got this A-line, nice neckline, cuffs, reinforced cuffs on the sleeves, and a little high and low with a nice little slit here. And let me see what the fabric is. It feels really nice and light. It's a cotton linen blend. Wonderful. So black pants, white pants, really. And we always say the tank dress, right? The tank dress is a no-brainer in the world of Lousje and Bean, and in a lot of you lovelies' life. I'm going to just go randomly. What cuteness is this? Oh, this is lovely. This is a long shirt, top, tunic type of thing. The cap sleeve that we like so much gives you lots of coverage. The band here that you can, you can pull it, so you can give it some crinkle effect. And the print on this fabric is very nice too, actually. It's beautiful. It's got a little pleat. Oh, it's got two stripes, pleats going down the back. Very, very nice. Again, black anything, right? White anything. And you know what is really exciting? I get to style it all tomorrow because Tessa's off tomorrow too. So I am pumped. Oh, another shirt. Yes. Oh, wow. I love this. This feels great. This is a travel fabric. So this is great for traveling, lovelies. Let me see. This is a little bit of polyester, viscose, and nylon, and some lycra. So this is beautiful to take with you on trip. So I think the cat's meow of this shirt is definitely the buttons, the black and white with the white stitching in the middle. But great design too. Nice cuffs, again, slit on the side. Amazing with white pants. Oh, I can't have enough white shirts, right? So what a great piece. Again, the same fabric, travel fabric. And these buttons are beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. It's very hard for us to find nice buttons when we do our designs, but these people knocked it out of the park. Wow. And what do we have here? I like this. Oh, a nice, very roomy, very flirty, feminine little summer dress with lots of pleating going on in the back here, and a little bit of a balloony effect at the hem. I believe it has pockets. Yes, it does. And a great light summer dress. Lots of movement in this dress. This is a little jacket. Lovely. Well, you can't say enough about these little cover-ups that you just put on over something like this, right? And it's light. Again, this is travel fabric. Great sleeves with a functional tab that will come, if you unbutton it, the sleeves will get longer. I love this little pointy at the front, right? Nice little line. And yeah, lots of swingy fabric as well. And a nice shawl color. And it comes in a beautiful off-white. Lovely, a little creamy color. Beautiful. Here you see the lines a little better. It's kind of fitted in the back actually, which I really like, with a little border at the bottom, and then in the front you've got this fabric to make it a little swingy. What is this gorgeousness? Oh, I think this is a duster. This is the duster. Yes, Tessa told me there was a duster in here. And we love dusters at Lousje and Bean. You love them too. Absolutely adore them because they make a statement. And it's comfortable and it covers you, and you can be very creative with a duster. So I can see this over our tank dress, or a long tank and our pencil skirt, or leggings and our long tank, or white jeans and a white tank top or t-shirt. This is it, lovelies. I can't wait till tomorrow, and I will style them. I think I'm going to do it in 2 sections, because there's quite a bit here. How did you think I did? I think I did pretty good without Bean, right? And this way, I don't have to fight with anybody. I can just do whatever I want. I kind of like it. I might do this more often if I can talk her into it. Okay, so I'm gonna talk a little bit about what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the Harlem dress in the navy. I pulled out a scarf from Sydney because I find this dress goes very well into the fall as well. I would wear black leggings with it, but this scarf, it just called me, and it said, like, grab me and show it with the Harlem dress, because look at these beautiful colors in here. And then I found this really beautiful, very statement necklace from Clio, and earrings from Marie Clio, and this gorgeous bracelet. I love this. What a statement. What a well-priced bracelet this is. Like, it looks very, very chic and substantial. No, it doesn't look chic. It looks artsy to me, anyway. Okay, lovelies. So I hope you are curious on how I'm going to style it. So tune in for tomorrow for the first styling of these gorgeous pieces. And as always, keep on smiling.